Here, see if she'll give Samuel a kiss.
Oh, I'll give Samuel a kiss. Oh. Oops. I didn't mean for her to lick your lips. Let's see if she'll kiss your nose. Just lick his nose. Oh.
Let her kiss your nose.
It smells yuck.
Let her kiss your nose.
Let's do it one more time.
No.
Hold still.
No.
Hold still.
No.
She's going to kiss you.
No.
Just one more time.
No.
Here,
Give
hold it
you a
like
sucker.
that.
A sucker! But it's too late for one.
A sucker for the puppy to kiss his nose?
You can't.
Is that what I'm hearing?
I want a sucker.
No, I would never bribe my child with sugar.
Can I have a sucker?
Let her kiss you.
Then I'll get a sucker.
Let her kiss you. Is that your boy?
Do it again.
Here, let her have your chin.
I can't go inside. Stop it.